In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva and Creative Fabrica to help create a clean, high-selling design for your t-shirt business. Then we're going to combine it with Canva's elements to help create this unique design for this layout. And finally, to finish it off, I'll heat press the design using Chroma Vinyl that's going to make this image pop on a black Gildan t-shirt. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit to this tutorial. And with that, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay guys, so I am in Canva and we are going to create an 8x8 inch canvas board for this project. So all you need to do is, if you've never used Canva before, you're just going to simply go to custom size and you're going to click on that. And then it's going to give you an option whether you want the width, you want to change the height, and either you're going to change it from pixels to inches, millimeters, centimeters. In today's project, we are going to go to inches, and we're going to click 8x8. Okay. And then from here, what we're going to do is we are going to use our elements tool, which is going to be right here. We're going to click on that. Now, this is a nail cross, and the name of this is Crosses Made of Nails. Oh, Frankie, nice of you to join us. It's my dog, everybody. Say hi, Frankie. All right, guys, and then from there, all we're going to do is we're going to jump to Creative Fabrica to get the fonts that we need. This is Creative Fabrica, and if you've never used this platform before, I would highly recommend that you try a free trial by clicking my link below in the description to get access to Creative Fabrica, and you can see what I'm talking about. There is a lot of stuff going on in this website that could help you create great designs, utilize great fonts to help boost sales for your business. Now, if you can see just real quick, you can see the fonts, images, paper crafts, needlework, laser crafts, 3D printing, bundles, POD, Learn, and Studio AI that you can benefit from. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look for fonts. So all we're going to do is simply click fonts. We're going to scroll down. We're going to look for two fonts that I'm actually interested in. One is we're going to click on Pink Pastel, and then you can actually click on View Our Commercial Guide. Okay, if you're worried about getting sued or anything, it says commercial usage allowed. So once you become a subscriber to this website, you have access to all this stuff, and you can use it for your own personal use. All right, so let's go ahead and click that. We're going to click download, and once it's downloaded, all you're going to do is you're just going to open this up. You're going to copy. What I like to do is I just hit Control-C, and then I add it into a folder into my computer, and then from there we're going to go back to Canva, and we are going to just click T for a prompt, and we're just going to click inside this box, and then from there we're just going to click Font, and then at the very bottom you're going to see this little prompt that says Upload Font. You're just going to click on it. You're going to click your Pink Pastel, and then you're just going to hit Open, and then you will get a prompt. We just need your confirmations. Basically asking for permission. Do you have permission to upload this font? You're just going to simply confirm, and voila, and then it's going to download. Now, I already have some of the same fonts, so I don't need to do this again, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. From there, you're going to go back to Creative Fabrica, and you are going to look for another font called Stylish. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing. And then from there, once you upload your font from Creative Fabrica, all you're going to do is you can find your font where it says Uploaded Fonts, and then you'll find it there. After you do that, it'll land in your recently used box where you can find it all the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Stylish. Okay. We're going to bring that up. We're just going to plant that right there. Okay. We're going to put Let Your. And then we're going to Control D so we make a duplicate copy. And we're going to change this to light. All right, and then from there, we're going to change this one to pastel. We're going to click in here. We're going to do Pink Pastel. Just blow that up just a little bit right there. Okay, and then we're going to Control D one more time. And we are going to we're going to write that shine. All right. And then from there, we're going to change that. We're going to change this one to a font that's already in here. And this one's called Brittany. Now, Canva already supplies Brittany, so you don't have to search for it. All right. And there it is right there, just to show you that. Okay. That Canva already has that font. All right. And then now that we got that, all we're going to do is just rearrange everything. Okay. I just changed that to lowercase. So once you're satisfied with your image, all you simply want to do now is go to share. Then you're going to select transparency background and you're going to hit download. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this simple image and we're going to place it on Chroma Vinyl, which is going to make this image pop. You're going to like this. So I'll see you guys in the back. All right, guys. So I got the image and I already weeded it. And this is the way it's going to look. So it's gold. And it looks pretty cool. Okay. All right, guys. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to bring this down. We're going to hold the heat press just for a little bit, just to suck out all the moisture out of that, right? Okay. All right, and all I'm gonna do now is just straighten this out, right? So when you do this, you wanna make sure you got at least 3 fingers on the side, up on the top from the neck collar, right? So I got about 3 fingers. Just wanna make sure that it's straight on each side. And then look for your crease in the middle to help you line this up, right? Last thing you want to do is make a crooked t-shirt. All right, and then all we're going to do now is just press this thing. Now, one thing I love about this heat press is that it pulls away. So you're not underneath here going to burn yourself with this thing, okay? So if you're thinking about getting a heat press, I would recommend that you get one that pulls out, okay? Away from the platen. All right, so now that we got our image set up, I think we're straight. Let's go ahead and give it a press. And I have it on 230 seconds for 7 seconds. Just wait for it. All right. You have to let it cool down so it can embed into the t-shirt, all right? Now, sometimes you have hot peels, and once you have those hot peels, you can just easily peel it off. But this is a cold peel, so you see how now it's starting to stick, okay? And then just gently pull. You don't want to pull it off right away. I know a lot of guys who are like trying to show off their vinyl, they pull real fast, but in reality, not all the time it works, okay? Doesn't work like that all the time. You got to be very careful of what you're doing here. Okay. See right there, it didn't come through all the way. There we go. Okay. And then we're just going to put this over. Put our Teflon over. And press it one more time just to straighten everything out. And check that out. That looks pretty dope, I must say. Those 3 different fonts make a huge difference because it makes the image unique and original. All right, hope y'all like this video, and if you want to see more content such as this, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button because that helps support my channel out. I appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. You all have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.